Monarch butterflies are toxic to many predators due to the toxins from milkweed. The toxins from the milkweed make them unpalatable. Monarch populations have declined due to habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. Conservation efforts include protecting milkweed habitats and reducing pesticide use. We plant milkweed in our yard to help them out. Monarchs form clusters or roosts in trees during its remarkable annual migration. If you would like to see more of this kind of content, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel.